Hey there, fellow thrill seekers and mountain conquerors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of electric mountain biking, specifically the heart and soul of any bike, the tires. We'll be exploring the top 5 electric mountain bike tires of 2023. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie craving speed, an all-terrain explorer, or a cornering connoisseur, we've got you covered. These tires will transform your electric mountain bike experience to new heights. But before we jump into the tire paradise, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. We've done the research to handpick these incredible products, ensuring you get the best deals on the market. These picks are in no particular order, so stick around till the end to discover all the remarkable options available. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Vittoria E-Agarro, a tire designed for speed demons and trail enthusiasts alike. With its ramped tread and progressively bigger, aggressively siped side knobs, the E-Agarro is a fast-rolling trail tire that screams performance. Vittoria's Graphene 2.0 quad compound technology ensures optimal rolling efficiency, providing longer battery life. Weighing in at under a kilo, this tire accelerates with lightning speed. Now let's shift gears to our number 4 pick, the Michelin E-Wild. This competition-ready tire is built for conquering mixed terrains. The innovative E-Gum-X rubber provides extra grip, optimizing traction on any surface. Michelin borrows the tread pattern from their trusted Enduro range, delivering advanced hold while you tackle those thrilling descents. And with the gravity shield casing, you'll have increased protection to keep you rolling confidently on any mixed terrain adventure. Next up, at number 3, we have the Schwalbe Eddy Current. This tire means business when it comes to cornering, making it perfect for those looking to slay every twist and turn on the trail. The specially adapted tread design, open design, and concise V-grooves ensure direct and precise steering characteristics, allowing you to transmit your motor power to the ground with confidence. Plus, the Addic's soft compound bridges the gap between disciplines, whether you're shredding the downhill or tackling an all-mountain trail. Hold on tight, because at number 2, we have the Maxxis Assegai, an e-bike tire built for downhill and enduro enthusiasts who crave maximum grip. With its big, deeply siped knobs and buttressed side knobs, the Assegai provides unrelenting traction across a wide range of surfaces. And trust me, this tire sticks to the trail like chewing gum and hair. The dual compound construction and EXO casing add durability, while the tubeless ready design ensures hassle-free riding. Prepare to dominate those steep descents with confidence. And now, topping our list at number 1, we have the Schwalbe Magic Mary, the overall champion of electric mountain bike tires. Loved by professional downhill and enduro riders, this tire strikes the perfect balance between grip, rolling performance, and durability. The Super Trail construction delivers reliable puncture protection, while the Addic's soft compound ensures exceptional performance across various disciplines. With the Magic Mary, you'll experience unholy grip and a lifespan that lasts for years. So there you have it, folks. Our carefully curated selection of the top 5 electric mountain bike tires in 2023. Whether you're chasing speed, craving versatility, or hungry for epic cornering abilities, these tires will take your electric mountain biking adventures to the next level. Remember to check out the links in the description below to grab the perfect tire for your electric mountain bike. Also, if you are looking for an electric bike rack, check out our video in the upper right corner of your screen. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content. And as always, keep exploring, keep pushing your limits, and we'll catch you in the next adventure.